Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this smart band. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, and you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. Here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use on your smart band, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also do this through the settings, so if you wake up the screen, swipe up on the home screen, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. And here you can tap, I believe, on home screen option, and then band display. And if you tap on band displays, it will open the menu. You can scroll through the list, tap on the watch face you like, and of course it will select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. As you can see, some of them have this settings icon under them. You can tap on the settings icon, and this allows you to change, for example, the style, and then you can tap on the check mark to confirm. You can also disable the option for the watch face menu to appear when you press and hold on the current watch face. To do that, you go to the settings, home screen of course, so this option, home screen, then band displays, and here we have this option, press and hold screen, and if you tap on it and turn it off, and then go back on the home screen and try to press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu, it won't work. So if you don't like that option, you can disable it. Another way to change the watch face is to do it through the phone application if your smart band is paired with a phone. So we can move this to the side, bring up our phone that is paired with our smart band. And on the phone, we will need to open the Mi Fitness application. Let me just zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay. Like I said before, on the phone that is paired with our smart band, let's open the Mi Fitness application. So find the icon and tap on it. In the app, tap on device, select your, oh no, never mind, we don't need to select our smart band, it's already selected. And here we have this manage band displays, and we can tap on all. And here you have online store, you can download some more watch faces. So for example, if you tap on one and then tap on apply, it will start downloading, and once it's done, it will be applied on your smart band. And here we have it. But you can also change the watch face between the ones that are already installed on your smart band, and to do that you need to tap on local, and here we have the list, and you can find the watch face you like, tap on it, and then tap on apply, and it will be applied immediately. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.